Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix stuck on joining server in Warhammer 4000 Space Marine 2. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. For that you have 4 options. First, verify game files. In Steam, right click the game in your library, then go to properties, then local files and click verify integrity of game files. And in the Epic Game Store, launch the Epic Game Launcher. Go to your library, right click the game and select verify. The second option is to check network connection. Ensure a stable internet connection. Try restarting your router or modem and check for internet outages in your area. The third option is to disable cross-platform play. This can sometimes resolve connection issues, especially if you are experiencing latency. Check the game setting for the option. The fourth option is to update game and driver. Ensure you have the latest version of the game installed. Update your graphic card and drivers. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.